We're economic students. Of course, alam namin kung paano kwentain ang utang ng bansa.
We're economic students. Of course, pinag-aaralan namin ang economic development, pero yung feelings ko sa kanya yung na-develop.
Oh, kalma. Baby, kalma.
We're economic students. Of course, we know supply and demand.
We're economic students. Of course, tumitingin kami sa kalidad.
Okay siya, bilhin mo na to. Halagang
Sige,
20
akin na
pesos
mo.
lang. We're economic student. Of course, hindi namin kayang gawin ang 20 ang bigas.
We're economic student. Siyempre, marunong kami magtipid. Tara!
We're economic students. Siyempre, marunong kami magpaikot. Magpaikot na dalin ng ekonomiya.
Di ako makauwi. Love scars, takot na akong masugatan.
We're economic student. Of course, first choice namin, mag-entrepreneur. Okay, class, get 1 for sheet of paper. Piso muna.
Piso? Ito piso, Jay.
Ito piso, Jay.
Wait lang.
Jay, ako na yan, Jay.
We're economic students. Of course, magaling kaming tumawad. Kuya, magkano dyan sa taho mo?
20 po.
2.30 na lang yan.
Sige po.
Sige. Thank you. Oh, ayan na, okay na.
We're economic students. Of course, alam mo. We're economic students. Of course, pinag-aaralan namin ang economic development. Pero yung feelings ko sa kanya yung na-develop. Ayaw pa naman pala! We're economic students. Medyo po may pahuli!
Kakalawan! 1, 2, 3, go!
We're economic students. Of course, pinag-aaralan namin ang economic development. Pero yung feelings ko sa kanya yung na-develop.
Of course, alam namin magpaikot. Paikot na daloy ng ekonomiya.
Takot na ako masugatan. Kahit ilang huli ka.